Hi, this is Mike Radke of RDS Trader. Welcome back to our 30 Days of Light. Steph and I were just going to go out for a run, but before I did that, I had this burning desire to make a video and a little lesson. Something happened in Europe overnight, Sunday, and basically the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, is looking like they might help out Greece, and that's been a big issue that's going around on Europe. But the market is open way up, so I'm going to go over to the chart here, and it opened up way up in the overnight, and we had a bullish bias coming in. And you ever get in those trades where things are going really good and you're buying it and the market's going up and everything's going your way, and then all of a sudden you still have that bullish bias and then things just start turning south and you're like, oh, why? The news is bullish, but why is it going down? Why is it going down? Well, the point is I'm going to give you a little tip as to how to recognize that, not necessarily into news, just by what's going on in the market. So here earlier on, there's this first little buy opportunity that came out right out of the gate on Sunday. And the market went up, and then when it flipped back from a downtrend to an uptrend, we got in, and when we flip to a downtrend, you get out, and everything's going good, and it comes back down, and it flips from a downtrend, starts showing you some higher highs right here, and the market goes up, and it flips down, and it flips back up, and you get back into the game, and you're making money, and the market, all these little blue dots are getting into the market long, and everything's going great, and all of a sudden something starts to happen, and things start to shift. And one thing I want to tell you is that when these boxes, these flips from downtrends to uptrends, when you want to get long, when they're going up, that's a good thing. But just look to the last two flips in trend. Everything's still going up. Last two boxes, everything's still going up. Then all of a sudden the next box, where the next higher high starts to happen, the boxes are starting to get lower. Or these flips from downtrends to uptrends are starting to get lower. And this should be the warning sign to you that something's up and something's just not acting the way it should anymore. And you see how things start happening where the boxes start getting lower. It's like, oh man, and then they keep getting lower on these entries, and they're still telling you, back off, wait. It might get bullish again, but just wait till these boxes start to turn back up. And they didn't start turning back up until the U.S. session again, where the boxes started sloping back up again. And then you see how the market started to respond back again. So just think that, just looking at the last two flips, if you have a bullish bias, then just make sure at least those boxes, at least the last couple, are sloping in the direction that you want, sloping up. But when they start sloping down and you have a bullish bias, could spell disaster for your account. So be careful. I think that tip will help you the next time when you have this bullish bias and things aren't going right. Just take a look at the chart and look at the last couple boxes and check out the slope. I think that might help you. So next time, stay tuned to our next episode of our 30 Days of Light. Have a great day, everybody.